Meaning of indisputable.
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 Indisputable. The term indisputable refers to something that cannot be denied, contested or questioned. It indicates a fact or truth that is beyond doubt or debate. When we say that something is indisputable, we are asserting that it is absolutely certain and cannot be challenged. This word is often used in legal, scientific and academic contexts to emphasize the veracity and certainty of a claim or conclusion. Overall, indisputable is a powerful adjective that underscores the absolute truthfulness and irrefutability of a statement, argument, or evidence.